What's up YouTube, it's Deja and I am back with another video, and today I am doing a review for the company DSoar hair, and I am absolutely in love with this curly hair that I have on my head. So if you guys want to know the deets, continue watching. I have DSoar hair's wavy texture, or like curly wavy. I honestly don't know. I think it's water wave, but it looks just so curly and amazing. Like, I am just living, honestly. It has to be water wave because curly hair just looks a little bit too much. But anyway, so I have lanes 22, 22, and a 20-inch frontal in my head, and I am absolutely in love. If you guys want to watch the video I made before this, where I made this wig with weave glue, continue watching. Well, click on the link below. I'll put the link below for that video, but I'm going to get into these specs, and then you guys are going to know whether to cop this hair or drop this hair. So let's just start with the shed test. Okay, so we're gonna start with shipping and handling. So shipping came very fast. DSoar hair has amazing quality hair. I love putting together their wigs because it is just amazing quality. So this hair took about 2 or 3 days to come to my house, and it came real quick, so we love that. Also, the customer service for this company is amazing, and they will always reply to any one of your needs, and the hair is affordable. We love affordable, and I just feel just so extra with my earrings. I love wearing these earrings. I'll literally wear them every single day. Wherever I go, I'll put them on. Y'all know where to get them at, the beauty supply. So anyway, we're going to start with the pros and cons list like the usual, and we are going to see if you want this hair. So pros, this wave is nothing like I've ever seen before. The frontal is also amazing, and it comes pre-plucked, which we love because it is so hard to pluck curly hair. Not hard, but you just want it to be perfect, and I don't really like baby hairs like that, so it's just real difficult for me. But that is one of the pros of the hair. The second pro is that you don't have to put any product in this hair for it to be absolutely gorgeous, and we just love that. So this has absolutely no product in it, and it is just amazing. You can put product in it if you want. I usually don't like to, but you know, to each his own. I like my hair to be a little crazy because I think I'm known for just having just like hair going everywhere. So yeah. Con, I would say, would be shedding, and this is curly hair, so of course it's gonna shed. It's just like your hair, so of course it's going to shed. So do not be surprised by if it sheds, because curly hair is going to shed regardless. All my curly hair babies, y'all know that it is just gonna shed. So that I don't even feel like is a con or a pro. It's just what happens. So yeah, this is a 22-inch, and I am 5'3", so it goes up to here, and it's super cute. If we stretch it, it goes down to here, so we love that. Honestly, this hair is literally a 10 out of 10. DSoar hair, I always work with their company. They always have amazing hair, so it's really not much I can say, but definitely go cop this hair. This is definitely hair when you guys get back to school, whenever we get back to school off of quarantine or whatever. This hair is absolutely amazing, and I would love to wear like the bundles as like a ponytail, or you could wear it like this, or you could do any type of style. The frontals are always so nice and so seamless, and it's just perfect hair. One of the best companies on the internet for amazing prices, and I will always vouch for them. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you DSoar hair for working with me and always sending me amazing hair, because girl, I'm about to go on vacation, and I am gonna wear this hair because it's just so gorgeous, and the curls are just so bouncy. So I love this hair. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. This was real brief because honestly there's not much to say. This hair is a 10 out of 10. I love the texture. The texture is so unique, and I love unique things. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos.